This next group that's coming up is called Swing Shift Singers. And this is a women's group that I teach in the morning on Thursdays. It's a great way to start the day. None of us are awake. And we roll in and we just start singing. And by an hour, at the end of an hour and a half, we're awake and we're happy and we go out and do the rest of our day. I highly recommend it to all of you. Not necessarily this class, but just singing in the morning. It's just good for you. Don't you feel good after just singing the sing-along? Yeah. Isn't that fun? Yeah. So this is a beginning singing class, and they've only I started this group in 2002, and they've only done a couple of party house concerts. So this is their first major public appearance, and this is, I would consider this pretty public. So I've been teaching them how to read music and about vocal technique and about harmonizing, and they've come a very long way. And we're doing two songs that I've figured out they fit together. One of them is called Letting Go, and it's by Harmony Grisman. And the other one is called Holding On by Judy Fiel. So we sing one, then we sing the other, and then we sing them at the same time. See what you think.